Zero Division. I am Fredo Zero. I'm a fixer on this position, and I will be overseeing your official interview today. If you have a question or required clarification, please raise your hand using the text emote. All responses and behavior moves remain professional and respectful throughout the interview. So, what is your reason for wanting to join the Zero Division? Okay lang kahit Tagalog.
Matagal na kasi ako walang tag, lagi lang akong tambay. Ganun lang. Gusto ko ulit bumalik sa gang. Ayun lang.
How will we assure that you are not spy in the other gang?
Walang sinalihan ko lang naman, puro sa mga kano, ganun lang. Wala pa akong sinunalihan na puro mga Pilipino. Tsaka, ayun lang.
Okay. Are you able to use your mic at all times?
Yes.
Are you willing to listen and follow leadership's instruction by higher rank?
Yes.
Are you willing to remain respectful toward other people in the gang?
Yes.
How active do you plan to be within the Zero Division, and are you able to respond when we needed you?
Ano ulit?
Above ka. Ano yan? Ano yan? Ano yan?
Ano ulit yung tanong?
Sabi ko, how active do you plan to be within the Zero Division, and are you able to respond when we needed you? Like, kapag tatawag kami sa'yo, kaya mo ba kaming puntahan kung nasaan kami?
Yes, lagi. One call away lang.
Okay. So, what special qualities do you think you can bring to the Zero Division?
Kaya kong lumaban, magprotekta, mga ganon.
Okay. How would you handle a situation with your member who is disrespecting another members?
Pero, ulit.
How would you handle disrespecting other members? Kapag nag-aaway-away dito sa gang
Siguro,
natin, paano mo ma-handle yung ano natin, yung mga kaibigan?
siguro papakinggan ko muna yung magkabilang panig. Tapos, alamin ko muna kung ano yung pinagsimulan. Tsaka ko makikialam.
Okay, that's it lang naman. Okay na. Antayin natin mag-review si Noy kung anong i-impact niya. Okay.